glancing at a stranger while walking away. Eyes caught mid-step like a game we play. A fleeting connection, unbidden and rare, rare. Just 1 second, but I was aware. Your smile whispered stories I'll never know. But oh, how the spark began to glow. Pare no con le stories, il misme cari.